In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlink your Stripe account from Odoo Invoices step by step. This is something you may need to do if you're switching payment providers, troubleshooting payment issues, or simply no longer want Stripe connected to your Odoo accounting setup. I'll walk you through the exact clicks inside Odoo so you can do this safely without breaking your invoicing workflow. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Odoo and business software tutorials. Let's jump right in. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Odoo account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Odoo Home dashboard. This is where you can see all your installed apps like accounting, sales, invoicing, and more. From here, we need to access the accounting module because Stripe is connected through your payment providers in accounting settings. From the Home dashboard, look for the accounting app and click on it. This will open the main accounting overview where you can manage invoices, payments, and configurations related to your finances. Once you're inside the accounting module, focus on the top menu bar. On that menu, click on Configuration. This is where Odoo stores all the settings related to payments, journals, taxes, and integrations. After clicking Configuration, a drop-down or new page will appear with several configuration options. Again, click on Configuration if prompted, depending on your Odoo version. Don't worry if this feels repetitive. Some versions of Odoo require you to confirm the configuration section before showing all available settings. Now, within the configuration area, look for an option called Payment Providers. This section controls all online payment integrations connected to your Odoo invoices, such as Stripe, PayPal, or other payment gateways. Go ahead and click on Payment Providers. Once you're on the Payment Providers page, you'll see a list of all payment providers currently connected to your Odoo system. Find Stripe in this list. Click on Stripe to open its settings. Inside the Stripe configuration page, you'll see details like the provider status, API keys, and whether it's enabled for invoices or online payments. To unlink Stripe from Odoo Invoices, you can either disable the provider or remove its credentials, depending on your setup. The most common and safest method is to disable the Stripe payment provider. Look for a toggle, status option, or button that allows you to archive or disable the provider. Once disabled, Stripe will no longer be available as a payment option on your invoices. If your goal is to completely disconnect Stripe, you can also remove or clear the API keys linked to your Stripe account. Make sure to save your changes after doing this. Odoo will now stop communicating with Stripe for invoice payments. Before you exit, it's a good idea to double-check your invoices and payment settings to make sure everything looks correct and that no active invoices are relying on Stripe for payment. This helps prevent payment issues for your customers. And that's it. You've successfully unlinked your Stripe account from Odoo Invoices. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Odoo tutorials and business software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.